Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very well at your home. So, dear students, let's do some study on the book New Learners Grammar and Composition. So, bring it in your hand. So, dear students, today our lesson is lesson number 3 on page number 23, one and many, एक और अनेक. So dear students, here we say look at the picture below. What all do you see? Count and complete the list on page number 24. So dear students, here's a picture in which you can observe so many things, and on page number 24 you will get the questions related with this picture. So dear students, as you saw the picture on page number 23, and now we have page number 24. Here we have some questions related with that picture. Here we have dash park, one park. उस पिक्चर में कितनी पार्क्स हैं? One park. Dash girls. So dear students, how many girls in the picture? Let's check from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So इस पिक्चर में जो है एक से ज़्यादा गर्ल्स हैं, तो here we will write many girls. Dash sun. Sun is always one, so we will write here one sun. Dash boys. So dear students, here we have boys. Boys means होते हैं लड़के. जहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा जो है persons हों, वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं many. Here we will write many. Dash ball, one ball. Dash seesaw, one seesaw. Dash kite, one kite. Dash birds, many birds. Dash flowers, many flowers. So dear students, next one we have sometimes a naming word names only one person, place, animal or thing. So dear students, जो किसी भी एक कोई भी एक person, कोई भी एक place, कोई भी एक animal and कोई भी एक thing जो है उसे हम one count करेंगे. And here we have boy. So यहाँ पे one boy बैठा है, तो it's a one tree, it's a one bird. When the number of things is more than one, naming words change to mean more than one or many. So dear students, जहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा जो हैं वो एक से ज़्यादा आपके पास persons हैं, एक से ज़्यादा things हैं, एक से ज़्यादा animals हैं, वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करेंगे many. Here we have one boy, here we have three boys. Here we have one tree. Here we have many trees. Here we have one bird. Here we have many birds. So dear students, now let's move on page number 25. Here we have the concept is one and many. ये है one, जो many होता है उसके पीछे हमेशा s लगता है. As you read change the numbers, जैसे कि आपने change the numbers पढ़े हैं, उसमें क्या होता है, word के पीछे जो है s लग जाता है. So here we have one and many concept. Here we have bell, bells, bird, birds, toy, toys, got, gots, bag, bags, bus, buses, brush, brushes, watch, watches, mango, mangoes, fish, fishes. So dear students, here we have write two words each for double s, sh and ch endings, then add es. Say the words aloud. The first one has been done for you. So dear students, class, classes. Here we have to write bus, bus, and bus, buses, bus, buses. Here we have brush, brush. Here we have B-R-U-S-H-E-S, brushes. Here we have B-U-S-H, bush. Here we have B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Here we have W-A-T-C-H, watch. W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. Here we have B-E-N, Ben-C-H, bench. B-E-N-C-H-E-S, benches. Bench, benches. Now let's revise it again. Class, classes. Bus, buses. Brush, brushes. Bush, bushes. Watch, watches. Bench, benches. So dear students, now let's move on page number 26. Look at these pictures and fill in the blanks. The first one has been done for you. So dear students, here we have to write the name of the picture as one bird. Here we have bird, so they have written bird here. Here we have one. So what is this picture, students? It's a mango. So here we will write one mango. Here we will write one fish. Here we have fish. One bell. One got. So dear students, look at these pictures and fill in the blanks. The first one has been done for you. So dear students, here we also have to write the name of things. You have to recognize the things and have to write in the blank. आपको पिक्चर को जो है पहचान के यहाँ पे लिखना है. So dear students, here we have 4 ants. Here we have 6. What are these, students? Pens. Here we write 6 pens. 3 tops. 3 tops. Here we have frogs. 3 frogs. Here we have 4 bags. 5 flowers. Good job. Fill in the blanks with one and many. 2 have been done for you. So dear students, इस concept में क्या है, जैसे कि अगर तो आपको one thing दिख रही है, अगर आपको one चीज़ दिख रही है तो उसके लिए हमने यूज़ करना है one. अगर आपको एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें नज़र आ रही हैं तो उसके लिए आपको क्या लिखना है, many. Very good. Here we have one table, so we will write here one. Here we have 1, 2, 3 many balls, so here we will write many balls. Next one we have kittens. 1, 2, 3. So dear students, जो kittens हैं वो एक से ज़्यादा हैं, so here we will write many kittens. Here we have one shoe. We will write here one shoe. Here we have dash kites. Many kites. कितने सारे kites हैं ना students? तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे many kites. Here we have pencils. So we will write here many pencils. So let's move on page number 28. Read these words. Draw their pictures in the given space. So dear students, here we have hut. So here you have to draw only one hut. Here we have huts. Here you can draw more than one huts. आप यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा huts जो हैं draw कर सकते हैं. Here you have to draw one flower. Here you have to draw many flowers. Here you have to draw one star, and here you have to draw many stars. So open page number 30, and here we have turn one into many by adding s or es correctly. One has been done for you. So dear students, here you have to write many of one by adding s or es. So here we have lamp. Here we will write lamps. Here we have cat. We will write here cats. Dish, dishes. सो डिशेज में ES आएगा. पेंसिल, पेंसिल्स. 6, sixes. बीच, बीचेस. इसमें ES आएगा. चेयर, चेयर्स. डोर, doors. Table, tables. Finger, fingers. Church, churches. इसमें भी ES आएगा. Eyelash, eyelashes. Glass, glasses. Tree, trees. Text, taxis. So dear students, our next topic is count the number of things in each picture and fill in the blanks. 2 have been done for you. Here we have one bat, so it's written one bat. Here we have 5 bats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bats. Here we will write 5 bats. Here we have one bed. So we will write here, dear students, one bed. Here we have 1, 2, 3. 3 beds. We will write here 3 beds. Here we have one book. We will write here one book. Here we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 books. Here we have 5 books. Here we have one ship. Then one ship. 1, 2 ships. Here we write 2 ships. We have one box. One box. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes. 3 boxes. Here we have one bush. Here we have 3 bushes. Here we have one brush. Here we have 4 brushes. So let's move on page number 3 to 32. Here we have one glass. Here we have one glass. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 glasses. Here we have one bird. And here we have 2 birds. 1 and 2. 2 birds. So dear students, I want to tell you that some naming words change from one to many in a different way. So dear students, ये वो वाले नेमिंग वर्ड्स हैं जो जिसका जो नंबर होता है, चेंज द नंबर होता है, वो S के साथ नहीं होता है. जैसे कि MAN, मैन. मैन का जो मैनी बनेगा वो क्या होगा? men. MEN, men. FWOT, foot. FWT, feet. Good job. So dear students, our next exercise we have match the words in the 2 columns. Here we have one and we have to match one with many. Here we have child. Child means होता है एक बच्चा. And here we have children. Children means बहुत सारे बच्चे. Here we have foot. Foot means एक पैर. And feet means दोनों पैर. Here we have mouse. Mouse means एक चूहा. Mice means बहुत सारे चूहे. Here we have woman. Woman means एक औरत. And women means एक से ज़्यादा औरतें. Here we have tooth. Tooth means एक दांत. और teeth means एक से ज़्यादा दांत. So dear students, I hope the concept of one and many is very clear to you. If you have any type of doubt, then you may check it from assignment number 3. And right now we will do change the number. It's also called one and many concepts. So dear students, here we will revise FAN, fan, FANS, fans, fan, fans, PEN, pen, PENS, pens, pen, pens, CHART, chart, CHARTS, charts, chart, charts, BOOK, book, BOOKS, books, book, books, KEY, key, KEYS, keys, key, keys, SPOON, spoon, SPOONS, spoons, spoon, spoons, BOX, box, BOXES, boxes, box, boxes, BUS, bus, BUSES, buses, bus, buses, FOX, fox, FOXES, foxes, fox, foxes, PLATE, plate, PLATES, plates, plate, plates, GLASS, glass, GLASSES, glasses, glass, glasses, MAN, man, MEN, men, man, men, FWT, foot, FWT, feet, foot, feet. So again, dear students, revise it with me. Fan, fans, pen, pens, chart, charts, book, books, key, keys, spoon, spoons, box, boxes, bus, buses, fox, foxes, plate, plates, glass, glasses, man, men, foot, feet. So dear students, I hope you understood this concept, and please revise it at home. And dear parents, please take the tests of your ward positively. So thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Have a lovely day.